Hello everybody. Today I have a story about the Ondel High School. This is quite interesting place to see how the education systems has been changed. So I met Harry and introducing me all about the Ondel. I has many questions how they teach when several hundred years where they have no blackboard. The main task for me is to see how they taught in the classroom when they don't have classrooms. I visit this school, so I have some interesting story about the stories. So this is a video from the Harry's secretary.
When is the exact year 2006?
2006, yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
470 years old high school they have.
By the way, I'm very interested in see if you have any photo.
Yes.
200 years ago or 300 years ago. I'm very interested in how they
Well, we
teach
may
in
well-
the classroom.
Right, well we may well have maybe something that we can get forwarded to you.
What teacher says.
Yeah.
What we try and encourage is, yes, for the syllabus, for the curriculum, to pass an exam, you need to know this, this and this.
Yeah.
This is a logical way of doing this. You have a very
So
good
Harry
memory.
explaining
This is how you retain
how
your
they
memory.
taught
and this
the
is how you
students
can
when
now
they don't
answer
have a
questions.
blackboard.
So no textbook, no notebook, no blackboard. So all the knowledge from teacher to students by verbally.
In 1897.
Yeah,
But
1897.
you would be talking
So he showed me some of the photo took by maybe 200 years ago. This is the first classroom in this Ondel High School. That time they have only one classroom. So he showed me this classroom exactly, and they modernized the classroom right now. But anyway, what they are showing here is there's no blackboard. This is very interesting for me to see and to understand how several hundred years they teach the students without the blackboard. All the classroom we imagine, classroom has to have the big difference between normal room and the classroom is the blackboard. So the blackboard time in Korea, actually, when I got this one from my senior high school, which is the oldest high school in Korea, which is the Paeje High School, we have a blackboard here, and there's a student. This is a very modern classroom in Korea. During past several thousand years of history, we doesn't have any blackboard at all. And now everybody has an electric whiteboard where they show multimedia information and also where they can draw over the multimedia videos. And now what we are facing is the smart world. It's like you are watching me now. We have the video, so teacher is here and blackboard is there. The blackboard is dynamically changed. If I keep showing this way, which is the camera, and then if I show the screen and switching this way is very boring. So new smart way we are bringing is the eStudio technology which I am using, which is showing the electric virtual blackboard on your screen. So we are combining, this is a new pattern technology, how we intelligently showing teacher or the virtual content there. So here I have a show, so I asked him to bring me to the place where exactly I can see this classroom. So he bring me some interesting tour. So he show all the campus. So this is a campus where we start. So his Harry's office is here, and then he bring me all the campus here, and finally we come back to there. It looks like a university campus and looks very interesting and very excited having such a high level education in England. So anyway, he showed me, so I will bring you some interesting place.
Yeah, but this is the art department. What was originally the headmaster's house, and the borders would have been in the building as well. So we're talking about 100 years ago.
It's a very Asian style, very well designed. And this is a classroom. Basically, this classroom they're showing is exactly same place where I show you the first classroom in this room.
Gone, but we now have radiators rather than fireplaces. But again, you get a feel for the size. This is everything.
So today
but 80% of our
we visit all the campus,
doing,
including the classroom like this.
Programming and design, and this will be the younger ones, and probably we convert that to STEM in the next 2 years. Very technical.
So this is a very exciting for me to see how their classroom looks like, and then all the students are studying in a most advanced classroom, and also the extensive courses are doing, including very mechanical side and very the advanced computer science. Everything they have experience with real activities. It looks like a very the specified students having education in such a nice environment. So I saw all the students' classrooms, modernized environment, and also very nice campus like this. Huge campus they have, but they keep their philosophy. The students has to educate it, and in a right way, as a normal, conventional, the English style of education systems. After that, we came back to place, and then we have a quite interesting discussion how the smart world education has been changed. So we discuss the new technology, how we make a next generation. So once we have a video like you are watching, the meaning you are watching is you completely understand without my visiting to have presentation to you. So what we are emphasizing is the eStudio video is really containing the knowledge transferring the teaching courses. Once we have the video, which is really better than the live lecture. So sometimes students just watching video, so they have eye contact to the teacher, and sometimes they bring the content where we have the pens, and also we can draw everything as like you did in the classroom. So this one can transfer for everywhere. Once this video is really contain the classroom information, this one become really the virtual classroom. I call this is the smart classroom, which means smart device can have what you want to see in the classroom. That's why I'm very emphasize eStudio is a new generation of education which will change the paradigm of education. So I would say eStudio is providing a virtual reality electric whiteboard which has been completely changed from previous electric whiteboard to the virtual whiteboard to the smart domain. Presentation for smart device has to have presenter and presenting material together. Students can concentrate to watch screen which a presenter make a scene to watch. So far students decide to watch which one they have to watch. So when teachers say watch me, students thinking they should watch the teacher. When teacher asking, showing the projector screen, everybody watching projector side. So now the teacher, it's like me doing, if you do this way, everybody watching here. If you do this way, everybody watching together. And when you do this way, they can see teacher together with the information. That's why I call eStudio really make a virtual classroom and smart classroom. This is the definition. Once we really make the virtual classroom using smart device, so they have no complaint listening lecture. Even listening this smart lecture is better than watching or listening in the classroom. This one is a big news to change paradigm. This one really complete flipped learning technology. I hope you enjoy my presentation. Even my English is not perfect. I hope you understand what I'm trying to do. Thank you very much.